Looking to connect your 1988 to 2006 GM factory radio with a mini barbed connector to an aftermarket antenna? This adapter is designed precisely for that purpose, ensuring a seamless fit into your factory plug without any hassle. Many users appreciate how well this adapter fits and functions. It's built to last, with solid connectors that guarantee a stable connection. Just be sure to double-check your radio and antenna plug types before purchasing. This adapter works specifically for factory radios with mini barbed connectors, not aftermarket radios. One customer shared how this adapter was perfect for installing an FM modulator, requiring 2 adapters to complete the setup. The product did exactly what it promised, providing a durable and reliable connection without any fuss. If you've been frustrated by incompatible antenna adapters, this one clears up the confusion. The clear description helps you avoid common mistakes. This adapter bridges your factory radio's mini barbed connector to an aftermarket antenna plug smoothly and efficiently. What you get is a simple, effective solution that saves time and prevents compatibility headaches. Instead of struggling with mismatched parts, you get a product designed specifically for GM radios from 1988 to 2006, making your upgrade or repair straightforward. If that's you, someone upgrading or repairing a GM vehicle's radio system, this adapter is worth a look. It's easy to install, fits perfectly, and ensures your antenna connection works as it should, delivering clear reception every time. Ready to make your factory radio and aftermarket antenna work together without stress? This mini barbed connector adapter offers the reliability and fit you need. Try it when you're ready and enjoy hassle-free radio upgrades.